What am I doing? I'm recording.
Nope.
No, yes, I am.
Okay.
No, I can. I can.
Do you have permission to do that?
I'm sorry?
Do you have permission to do that?
Pennsylvania is a two-party consent state, and I do not consent to being recorded.
Actually, there's no expectation of privacy in public, sir. You're already on camera everywhere you go. I'm positive.
I must ask you to put the video camera away.
Like, I don't understand why you feel the need to record. What
I'm not gonna.
have?
I have the right of freedom of press.
There's cameras everywhere.
Oh, there's not.
I don't like to be filmed.
Okay.
Like just invasion of privacy. That's what it feels like. Do you agree with that?
No, I don't. Only because there's cameras everywhere you go.
So why are you gonna give them a hard time? Like,
I'm not. A camera isn't a hard time, sir. There's cameras everywhere we go.
I'm gonna go portrait with it.
Thank you for joining the movement.
I understand some people get mad when they see a camera, but you know, we live in a day and age where there's cameras everywhere. It shouldn't be a big deal. Listen, being on camera is not a big deal. Look, see, it's not a big deal. There's cameras everywhere in here. No, it's not. There's not.
In a state government office, we have to get permission if you're video.
You're on cameras everywhere in here. This is like the 19th one in this room.
0083.
It makes me nervous when someone's got a camera on me.
I mean, you're here to serve the people, right?
And we all are, yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't feel uneasy when I came into the building and you have cameras on me.
That's a good point.
I mean, cameras are everywhere.
That's true.
But people need to understand that we have rights. And my rights are to film in a public building no matter how they feel. And I'm not here to be rude. I'm not here to disturb your class. I know it's a little uncomfortable sometimes, but there's cameras everywhere we go around this country. And just because mine's mobile doesn't make it any different. Do you know what I mean?
So whatever you think we should do. Honestly, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do.
Until next time, thank you for watching Cameras Everywhere. Beware enemies of the people, and remember, a nation's morals are like its teeth. The more decayed they are, the more it hurts to touch them.
Cameras everywhere. If you guys don't know who Cameras Everywhere, he's the first one that got hold of my first video with the arrest that I was talking about earlier to you. Cameras Everywhere is the one that helped get my channel started. I appreciate you, Cameras Everywhere. So go support Cameras Everywhere. If you guys don't know who Cameras Everywhere, go check them out. You guys get Cameras Everywhere?